Hey fellow YouTube people, my name is GamerGirl2000. You could just call, wait no,
Wild Girl.
my name is Wild Girl, sorry. And today I'm playing with my stepsis, and
Her name is Gamer Girl, and I'm
Shush!
Gamer Boy.
Stop!
What?
Anyway, sorry about that. My whole YouTube channel is gonna be about playing Animal Jam because I have nothing else to do.
And I just lost all my items.
Yeah, she just lost all her items.
Who wants to hear the story of that?
No, this is my YouTube channel. Also, don't subscribe to her. Her name is Gamer Girl.
No, do subscribe to me.
No.
Gamer Girl AJ. It's a black. The little icon is a black long collar. Subscribe.
Okay,
to me.
well, anyway, this is my first YouTube channel. Nobody's gonna watch it, so nobody's gonna hear you subscribe. Okay.
Subscribe to me.
Well, anyway, I'm gonna see if. Actually, no. I'm gonna
If
go
you
to.
subscribe to me, I subscribe to you.
Okay, well, anyway, stop worrying.
Where are you going?
I am going to a world where it's called, I don't know. What do I do here? I cross the bridge and I go to a room. Then I ask somebody to date me. Anybody want to date me? Come on, anybody? Oh,
You're being
no,
weird.
no, date me. No, I don't know. I'm just gonna go back to my den and I'm gonna be sad. Because nobody wants to date me. Well, anyway, I'm gonna switch my animal because this is my funny account. See, look, it's my funny account.
I burped.
Stop worry. Next time you record, then I'll do that to you. This is my funny. This is my.
No, my boat. The freak is my boat doing? Get back
Nobody
here.
knows who you are. Well, anyway, this is my funny account. And actually, it's not an account. It's still my same account, but it's just my funny animal. I think that's her funny animal. But
No, it's a llama.
Frozen. Okay.
It's
there
my
we go.
llama.
Yes, it's her llama. See, it's her llama.
Yes.
Yes.
My drama llama.
Mama llama,
Shut.
mama llama.
Shut up! What?
Okay.
Being annoying.
You're annoying.
Stop! I'm recording. Anyway, that's probably all for today. Sorry about my annoying siblings.
I'm not
So-
annoying!
I'm not annoying.
Anyway, have a great day.
I'm older.
how
than you,
how do I
Jessica.
stop recording?
This button.